Hey, in this video, I'll show you how to get this message fixed, the fix messenger send failed issue that says that you're temporarily restricted or blocked from performing this action messenger. There is a quick way to fix it. But before we start, make sure you give this video a like, subscribe if you're new to the channel, and also comment down below if you have any questions around the video whatsoever. I would love to help you out in the comment section down below. So, um, what this message means is that you are temporarily restricted from using Facebook Messenger for 3 days. Normally, it's for spamming or sending too many messages. Maybe you sent something inappropriate to a friend, he reported you, or the system flagged you, therefore, you have the issue. So, there's a few things that you need to consider. And if you type in Google community standard in Facebook, you can go down below and there's community standards for 6 categories. You can check them out. If this video helped you out, give me a like. And I want to see you in the next video. Um, the fix is to just wait 3 days. There's no reason to appeal it. It won't work. The only way is to just wait it out and don't do it again. See you next video. Bye.